Hi Kickstarter, I'm very pleased to announce the new Arduino compatible audio DSP shield. It's a sound man in a can. The Arduino audio shield is designed to make signal processing easy, giving you amazing sound effects at a great price. The shield can run on a 9-volt battery for portable deployment. To make this a reality, I need your support. Your contribution makes quantity production possible. Be the first to experience it yourself. Early backers will get limited quantity access to bundles that include free. That's right, you heard me. Free shields and cases. If you wait and miss out on this offer, the angels will weep for you. The bundled software includes an easy-to-use library for high-speed two-way digital data communications between the host computer and the Arduino Shield system. This enables real-time visualization of waveforms using the included software oscilloscope. Both the hardware and virtual knobs affect real-time control of the Audio Shield function generator. Design, visualize, then download complex waveforms for real-time manipulation. Buy multiple shields and hook them together to create new effects. Come up with unique sounds, all your own. The shield was designed to enable hi-fi output and simplified programming, thus avoiding complex interrupt-driven pulse-width modulation code. All our boards are professionally assembled.
Just imagine how jealous your signal processing neighbors will be when they view your hand-built custom virgin plexiglass cases available for the office or home in either classic clear or glamorous gold. Why buy one when you can buy two for stereo?
The optional laser cut case is held together with threaded metal feet for ruggedized field performance.
Our first 10 are just in from production, and here they are, hot off the soldering iron press. Get your audio shield today, and don't get stuck in a loop. Oops.